2001 Toyota 4runner. All power, seats, everything, sunroof. Beautiful, beautiful car. Look at this vehicle. Clean title. 200,000 miles only on it. You can bring your mechanic, whoever you want, to check it out. It's a mechanic proof vehicle, 100%. Still looking really nice and cool. Look at the interior. The whole entertainment system right here. AC, everything works. It has some wear out stuff due to the environment and the elements. Since it's still really decent. Look at the carpet. The dashboard is not crashed, or cracked, or damaged in any way. It has a tow package, so you can tow whatever you want. Registration is up to date until September next year. Call me area 424-704-6004 or send me an email, thegoodguyofla, Gmail. You know the rest. Let's see the engine. Best maintenance. It's nothing but a new owner. Beautiful. Let's make a deal. We offer for trades and to make the fair deal for you.